trying to bring the thing in that's moving.
Oh, lost it.
Right, you're back on low rate.
Definitely, yeah, okay.
100%.
Right.
You want me to do anything? I'm here. Alright?
Yeah.
I'll fall back a bit, son. I'll fall spent. Slow it down.
Hold on, I'm trying. Let me just work this out.
Down fast.
Whoa.
Yeah, let me trim it for you. Let me trim it. Then just keep your hands on the sticks, bro. I'll trim it. Right, you just fly it straight and level and I'll do what I need to do.
Right, hold on. Up.
Right.
Pull back.
There you go. Oh, you're shaking.
Yeah, it's a bit unresponsive on the elevator. Pull back a bit more.
Unresponsive on the elevator.
Hold on.
Right. You're in mid-rate now. Right, so you want a bit of what? Right aileron?
Yeah.
Right, that's 4 clicks of right aileron.
Well, go down on the right. No, it's climbing now.
Right, okay. That's 1 click of left, 2 clicks of nose down. You are going quite a speed. Do it slow it down. That's better. Right, so it's climbing. That's 1 click of down. Not too bad.
No.
Wants 1 click of right rudder. Here we go.
I think I need to just adjust the expo a little bit on it.
Is it too twitchy? Not too, well, it's obviously not too bad.
Anyway, it's just a little bit too responsive, not too bad.
Too responsive now, yeah?
That's right, that's right.
I'm trying to bring the thing in that's moving.
Oh, shit, I've lost it.
What?
I've lost it.
Yep, something's gone. That was a radio gone. Complete gone. Signal gone.
So I know the people say fly.
Oh yes, Jeffro.
Oh,
Where's
good
your
God.
camera, son? Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Oh, we should have bought a bag.
Bag? You need 2 bags. Welcome to petrol modelling, Jeffrey. Is the engine all right? That's the most important part.
Yeah, that is first bag, isn't it? Twice.
Yeah, it's fucked.
No, I wouldn't say it's fucked at all.
No.
No.
You know, that's a really big debris field, but look.
That is not healthy though, I've got to be honest.